everybody, welcome to today's video. Today we got some Ipsy and we got some Boxycharm. Ipsy and Boxycharm. This is upside down. Anyways, so if you are new to my Ipsy and Boxycharm unboxings, I go through them all and figure out what is cruelty free in this month's box. Mostly it's helpful for Boxycharm because you can customize your Ipsy to whatever you like, and so far I've been kind of getting more and more cruelty free stuff. As I mentioned, hey, I don't like this brand, it's not cruelty free, and the company kind of looks at that and thinks, hey, this person likes this more stuff, more natural clean things. So yes, also Boxycharm is $21 a month, Ipsy is $10, and so they will be linked down below if you want to check them out. So let's just get right into them. Do Boxycharm. Just start with, I haven't seen any sneak peeks at all. I've been really good because they're actually kind of bad about trying not to like spoil things for people. So the first thing that I see in here is this from Pretty Vulgar, and it's like a translucent powder with a beautiful cute little puff. I'm not gonna quite open it quite yet because I'm not exactly ready to use it, but I definitely will. Like, super cute. Pretty Vulgar is cruelty free, so I already know that. As I've been doing these more and more, I've been learning what is and isn't cruelty free, so it kind of helps me out to be a little bit more quicker and efficient with these things. I'm not sure about this. Detox Activated Charcoal Mask, and this actually says cruelty free right on it right there, so that helps us out, and I will definitely keep this because I've been having to give a lot of masks away because they are not friendly in our repertoire of things. Tarte Shimmering Lip Paint, and it's cruelty free as well. So far so good. It's called Flaming Hot. Woo. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Look at this look. Then I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna put this on right now. This is gorgeous. It's like a lip gloss, I imagine. Smells like chocolate. Oh my gosh, you guys. And I like it because it's not like overpowering and you can keep dipping in if you want it to be more bold and stuff. I'm stoked about this. I love Tarte. It looks good with the look. If you're wondering about the eyelid makeup look, it should be up after this video goes up. This is, ooh, Bodyography. Barely There Lip Pencil. Well, I've been really good for the look today. I haven't gotten a lot of lip pencils, so I think that's actually really cool. So it's just Bodyography. I believe Bodyography is, I really do like them, and so that's pretty much that. Hey, that's cool. This is a hairstyling tool. What? Okay. Let's see how much this costs real quick. This tool straightener is $75 alone. So it's a girl world, is what it says. And it's pink and it's light purple. Oh my gosh, I love this and I want to use this, but I just don't see myself using a tiny straightener like this. I love this and I love the color and everything, but I have such long hair and I use an InStyler on it and it just seems like so. But if you have like short hair, these little tiny straighteners are really cool. So that's really cool to get in a Boxycharm. I'm not gonna lie. Way to go, Boxy. That's super cool. Okay, so I'm gonna put this here. Well, someone's gonna be getting a really cool present. I love you, sister. So that is super cool. And I got the shade purple, and I love purple, but I'm not giving myself. Going back in its little pouch. So far everything that we got in Boxycharm is cruelty free. This is just a styling product, so you can't really judge it, or, you know. So I will put that aside for the giving of others. And we have Ipsy. So to be quite honest, in my defense, I'm not gonna lie to you, I haven't, in the last month I didn't review my box. But then again, another thing is that the box that I did before that, all the stuff on my thing to review was not thing that came in my box. So I think Ipsy's just got a lot of people to do stuff for. So yes. So the first thing is the Benefit Professional. Benefit is not cruelty free, and it's because they are sold in countries that actually make the test, that require testing, animal testing by law, which doesn't make any sense because animal testing doesn't really prove much to the human world. So anyway, that's too much jargon to talk about right now, but Benefit is not cruelty free, so we will pass that along. Someone who doesn't mind that. And then we got a brush from, I don't know, but it looks really pretty. It's a little pointy. I'm not really sure. It's abbreviated. It's Farah. Really pretty. So that's cool. We'll toss that aside. We're not sure about that brand. And then we got one. We got one from another one from SL Miss Glam. So I have, ooh, I'm like having a little bit of a collection going. Show you my SL Miss Glam brushes that I have. So these are the two face brushes I have, and I think this is a highlighting brush. Ooh, I'm excited. So I would definitely keep this. They always come with little diamantes on it. And it's glittery too. So I wonder if this one is textured like the other one that I have, which is this one. You can, has a little bit, it's not unpleasant to hold, you just notice it in your hand. So ooh, this one's actually not, this one's smooth and it's really soft. Really nice highlighting brush. I love that. I put it in my things, but I really have to wash it, so I'm just gonna set it aside. And then what do we have? Ooh, this one is a cruelty-free, paraben-free, and gelatin-free natural cosmetics from Catherine Cosmetics. And this is a, what is it? A highlighter. That's really cute. That's what it looks like. The swatch of that. That's pretty. I like that. So that one is cruelty-free. So far so good with that. Came with a tiny little bubble wrap. And we got, what is this? A dry shampoo. I'm actually going to pass this along because I don't use dry shampoos. Because they just make my hair feel like they're greasier than they should be. More like, I don't know. I just don't like the way they make my hair feel. But we just put it in our hair for the gigglesness. Some people are like, oh, this is third day dry shampoo. And I'm like, oh, your scalp probably feels gross. Sorry, everybody. That's my opinion. And then this one is from the Balm. Foiled again. That actually smells really good. Smells good. This is the Redhead. This is a shadow. Ooh, I swatched it in a weird spot. That's what it looks like. So the balm is cruelty free and it's really awesome. So far, the only thing I don't know that's cruelty free, well, this Professional isn't and this one isn't. So let me just quickly look that up to see. So everything that we got in these, like this brush is synthetic bristles. They are 100% vegan and yes, so I imagine that they're cruelty free. So yes, everything but the Professional is cruelty free. So that's really cool. I got 2 brushes. I'm super stoked about that. And yeah, this is a really great box. This is a really good Boxycharm and Ipsy. This is a success, a thumbs up for me for this video. I got a lot of really great things to try. Some stuff I'm like super excited about. I mean, we got like a whole bunch of stuff. So we got the face mask, we got a lip pencil, we got the lipstick, we got an eyeshadow, we got a highlighter, we got 2 brushes. I got the face powder, and the Ipsy bag is super cute. So I mean, you really cannot go wrong with this thing that we did. So far everything in this bag was cruelty free except for this, and I call that a success. So this month, December's Boxycharm and Ipsy was a great one that we did, and I'm super excited. I love getting this stuff. It's like, it always gives you an opportunity for stuff. If you are starting out with makeup and you have $20 a month, get Boxycharm. You will never be disappointed. You will never be sad. You are always going to get something you want to try or give away. And so then it also kind of gives you something to go for me. So, but it's also making me want to buy stuff from Glam because their brushes are so cute. They're like my new backstory. I used to really be into Tarantino. I have 2 of their blushes. I have the blush set. I have some eyeshadows. I have lipsticks. I have their brushes. I used to just be really into it, and then they started to come in the wantable boxes that I used to get, and that actually built up my collection even more. And so Tarantino has kind of faded. They're not doing makeup anymore. It's all a lot about jewelry. So now my new favorite thing is, I think, Glam. So I'm coming for you, Glam. I'm gonna buy some stuff from you. I'm not coming for you in a bad way. So yeah, if this was a really successful box, if you guys did like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up if it was helpful to you. I will link all the information down below that I find my information on cruelty-free products and such like that. And then also, you can always look on Ipsy and Boxycharm, and they will tell you more about the products and cruelty-free statuses and stuff. Sometimes, not all the time, but yeah, that will be helpful for you if you're guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up if this video was helpful to you and you like this type of video. And don't forget to I'm having a tongue-tie problem. Don't forget to subscribe if you like videos such as this, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one before I can't talk anymore. Thanks for watching. Bye.